Hey guys, welcome to Acapulco. I wanted to make this video to show you what you could get with 1,500 US dollars for an entire month on Airbnb. So yes, you could save some money going to some other places and maybe just coming down here first and doing some door knocking. But for me, only staying here for a month, Airbnb is a great option. So I'm staying here at the Casa El Cielo in Acapulco. This is the street I'm on, and Bogey and I will take you on our tour. Come on. All right, so I'm gonna take you to what everybody wants to see first, is the main part of the apartment. So all these windows or doors here slide open. So it's almost like having just a wide open area, but it's good to have these closed at night. And this is the view. I love these rocks all along the coast here in Acapulco. That's one of the things that I really liked about here. So out here I got two chairs, although it's just me and Bogey right now, and got a table and of course the hot tub. And here is my bedroom, so I'll show you a look from the outside. All right, so quaint little living room. I haven't turned the TV on. It's been working mainly since I've been here. And as we go to the bedroom, boxing gloves. Here's the view from the bedroom. So we got the bed here. So this is the view I get when I wake up every morning. Let me move that down there a little bit so you can see. So when I wake up, that's what I get to wake up to. And now, hey, what's up? We will head to the bathroom. So a little closet. Nothing crazy, I don't have a lot of clothes with me anyway. And here's the bathroom area. So the apartment in general, I mean, it's not this, I mean, it's nice. It's not ultra luxurious, but it's plenty good enough for me. Even here for the month, it's just, you know, I think it's really great. And that, like me being able to speak at least a good bit of Spanish now, I probably could have, you know, tried to negotiate, trying to find a little bit better deal, but I was more worried about being able to come here, especially since I have Bogey with me, being able to get down here quickly, get settled in, and go ahead and start, you know, working and stuff like that. So I think it's a great deal. Again, I paid just over $1,500 for this place, USD, and I don't have a door guy here, but I don't really have anybody to mess with me. I wouldn't recommend necessarily this apartment, and I'll put the address. Actually, I'll just do the Airbnb link below in my description. But I probably wouldn't recommend here if you're wanting to come here to party. But if you're wanting to come here like I am to, you know, kind of relax, get some work done, maybe a romantic getaway, this is a great apartment to do it. And Acapulco has a bad reputation over the years of being really dangerous, but if you click on some of the other videos I've made, I haven't felt at all unsafe here in Acapulco, and so far I definitely recommend it. It's a great value. If you're traveling from the US, one thing that you might be able to do to save you some money if money's an issue is to book a trip to Mexico City first and either take BlaBlaCar or take a flight from Mexico City. It's so much cheaper once you get into Mexico to buy tickets for really inexpensive. Normally it costs like $80 round trip US, depending on how much luggage you take. But it's 72 degrees every day here. At night, like 72, 73. And then during the daytime, it's like 85 to 90. So you don't really need a lot of clothes. And if you're here just for a weekend getaway anyway, then, you know, I don't think you'll be wearing a whole lot of clothes anyway. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you dig my videos, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And please hit the like button. That definitely helps out my channel a lot. It helps me to be able to make a lot more videos. So anyway, bye from me and Bogey.